Hello everyone, welcome to all in this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to print a statement in C++. This is the code for uh, printing a statement in C++ programming. We used four main lines to print a statement in C++. First one, header file. This is used for taking all this. For example, in C we use hash include stdio.h. Like that in C++ we will use hash include iostream. In C++ we will not use .h. Only we will use iostream input output and stream. And we will use this using namespace std. This is used for loading the std standard file. We will use this. Without using this also we can do. I will show you without using this. If we take out this line and we need to keep std double colon, means two colons we need to keep. This statement also will be this one also will be, we will get output. Instead of this we will for example, if we have multiple output statements, we need to give for every statement this line we need to use. Instead of writing this std colon colon, we can use using namespace std, so that we cannot write all this statement for every line. We can use here. Let us run and check, is it coming. See, we got the output, hello world. Now also now again we will check, is it coming or not. Using this one, same output we will get. For example, if we do not write this one and keep this one, again we need to write std double colon cout C++ program. We need to write again std double colon, but it is a problem to write std double colon for every line, so that we can use using namespace std in the top, and single line we will get so that this all lines, for if we write 100 output statements for 100, we need to give this one, so that using namespace std we can write simply. This is the how to print a statement in C++ programming. I think you understood how to print a statement in C++ programming. Thank you. Let's see. Meet in our next video. Bye bye.